What's going on today, guys, and welcome to Eddie Studios. If you haven't been here before, I do weekly videos on tips and tricks to help you be a better videographer. I shoot with my mobile device and stuff like that, and USKEYVISION noticed that, I guess, because they decided to reach out to me and send me out this little tripod that looks like it's going to help me out a lot with a lot of the types of videos I do with my phone and shooting with Pocket 2 and stuff like that. So it's a small desktop style tripod, and we're going to see what it can mount to and what it can do today and see what comes in the box. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a chance to win one of these. So hopefully it might be what you like. Now, USKEYVISION has a wide range of different full all-inclusive kits and stuff like that on their site on Amazon, and different types of tripods, even in different versions of this style tripod. So check out their store. But at the end, I will definitely link one of these below, and you'll have a chance to win one of these. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside it, and then we'll go from there. Slides open really nicely. Little instruction manual there. It's a tripod. Do we need instructions? I don't know how a tripod works, but let's just get right into it. So it looks real nice in the box, and it looks like the phone mounts right on top. And let's see, you got your tripod here, phone mount on top, and typical action camera mount. Pretty much any action camera, GoPro, Osmo Action, stuff like that. They use these mounts, so that's nice to have. I'm not gonna need it right now because none of my cameras use it, so I'm going to put it in the box, but it's nice they give it to you. And then this is what you get. So it's nice and compact. Looks like it comes with the phone mount kind of already on it, so opens up like this, which I guess could be handy if you're doing this. No. So it does have the 90-degree angle, so you could do this, mount your phone in it, and I'll just get my phone out and go ahead and mount it on it so we can play with it with the phone on it. Holding it in there pretty good. Then let's see, it extends up. How much does it extend up? It's not a huge distance, but it's enough to give you something to use. So I could shoot like this, and hang on, let me rotate this how I want it, which I will want it this way, because I may mount, I don't have a light on me or anything, but I may mount something to the top of it where there is a cold shoe mount. So it's got a nice cold shoe mount on the top of the phone mount. And this isn't the only way to mount the phone, because I'm gonna loosen this up now. There's a 1/4-inch thread on the bottom of this too. It gives me a little bit more height when I do it this way anyway, so this would probably be a better way to do it. And if you're gonna use it as a selfie stick, you can get that angle, that selfie stick angle on it. The ball head just kind of twists down with this side twist here. Nothing too fancy, but it feels sturdy. So nothing too fancy. Tighten up your ball head, and it feels pretty stable. 10.5 inches, I think, is what it runs. 10.6 or 10.5 inches. It's not huge, but it's nice. It feels good. So holding a phone, it works nice. Holding a camera, like my ZVE 10, works really nice. Holding the DJI Osmo Pocket 2 works nice. And I think it could even jump up to my A6600, but it's busy on a job right now, or I would put it on it. So yeah, it seems like if you're just trying to desktop mount it, stuff like that would be great. For using it for selfie stick style, I would stick with like a phone or an action camera probably, or like a small point and shoot. Otherwise, if you're just trying to get a desktop mount in there to shoot some videos like that, it can support most small size mirrorless cameras, point and shoots, everything like that. It's lightweight, so holding it with my phone to do selfie stick stuff or vlogging like this, it's gonna be easy because it's not gonna wear you out at all. Like, you could hold this all day. If you're gonna mount a camera on it, you would want to unscrew it, and then all you do is actually like flip this part over so that it's facing down, so the grips for your phone are facing down. Screw it in, and this allows the screw to protrude through the other end. So you can see it's protruded through the other end. You can go ahead and fold these in to get them out of your way. And then you have the rubbery grip to catch your camera. And this rubbery grip portion here is a lot better than some of the other mounts that you'll see on tripods that are just like a little round one. It's nice big rectangle. It's got a lot of space to grip and hold that camera steady. Also, I want to point out that on the bottom of the legs are silicone rubber. That gives it a good grip on a table. This is all aluminum. Bottom of the tripod head is aluminum. You got plastics up here, and then the ball is aluminum as well. So it's a nice mix of aluminums and plastics, and then with the rubber or silicone where you need it. So the base here where your camera screws in, where it grips your phone, all nice rubber silicone. You want to know how to win this guy. So if you want to win this guy, I want you to subscribe to the channel and then comment down below #winning. All right, guys. So hashtag winning, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna pick a random person 5 days from posting this video. So if you see the post date and it's past 5 days after that, then you've waited too long. Sorry, guys. But still, go over to USKEYVISION on Amazon. I'll link it in the description and check these tripods out. $19.99 right now while I made this video, but price can change since then, so could go down, could go up. I don't know, but I doubt it'll go up. $19.99. That's what it's at right now. Hashtag winning. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Until next week, go shoot something awesome. Check out my playlist here about how to edit on your phone while using your phone, because if you're going to be shooting with your phone, you need to be able to edit. So go shoot something awesome, guys. Peace out. I'll see you next week with a new video.